Hi guys, if you look to your right, there's gonna be a huge beautiful boats. Look at these beautiful boats. Look at that beautiful boats. So we are here in Ontario, Kenora for camping. Yes. And if you see to your right again, there's gonna be beautiful woods. Look at that motel. Look at that. So, if you guys would like this video, I hope you will. We'll see you soon once we arrive. Bye bye. Oh my days. Look at that. Oh, look at the house. I'm back again, guys. So we saw that lake, and that was made in the 1700s. Yes, by oh my, look at that beautiful view. Where'd it go? Beautiful view. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I guess we're back in the Philippines, guys. This is not even Kenora no more. This is Philippines. Hospital. Welcome to Kenora, aka Philippine 2.0. So, yes, we'll see you guys later once we arrive. Bye bye. I got it. So, if you guys didn't know, this was made in the 1600s where Clementine Bishop found. Isn't that crazy? Look at that beautiful fall. Oh my. I wish I can get fall like that. What is that place?
In Ormoc City, Philippines.
Yeah.
Traffic pa to. Traffic mo padong is pantalan. Padong is pantalan.
Look at these ducks.